ArcelorMittal South Africa is closing its Longs steel business. The move will affect the Newcastle and Vereeniging works as well as its rail and structures unit. Regarding job losses, AMSA says the exact figure is yet to be determined, but it estimates that about 3,500 direct and indirect jobs are on the line. Africa's largest steel producer flagged numerous headwinds back in 2023, and while it's tried to delay the closure, AMSA says a decision cannot be pushed back any further. ArcelorMittal also shared a forecast for its year-end results, saying despite significant cost-cutting and cash management measures, the performance will be substantially weaker than the prior period. It expects its headline loss per share to more than double to just over R4. Oanda has a new chair. The Nigerian energy firm says Ademola Akireles stepped into the role, replacing Oba Adedotan Badebo, who has held that position for over a decade. Oanda says Akireles' exceptional leadership abilities and capacity to foster consensus among stakeholders position him well to lead the board effectively. South Africa's railway network is on the verge of a shake-up that will introduce third-party access, but it needs investment of about 14 billion rand annually to its 6 corridors, which have been plagued by theft, vandalism and outdated systems. That's according to Transnet. As an example, it says the Northeast Corridor, which links SA's rail freight transportation with SADC countries, averages 2 theft incidents a day and needs over 1.4 billion rand a year to cover its preventive and asset restoration needs. The property sector is set to continue its growth trend, driven by recent interest rate cuts, strong performances in the retail and industrial markets, as well as a stabilizing office sector. Independent property analyst Keelan Ndlovu says the sector's outlook started to improve in the second half of last year. That's as most rates and property companies projected modestly positive earnings growth for 2025. Ndlovu's added that improvement across all sectors is expected, with the industrial sector a consistent outperformer likely to continue to do well. Lower interest rates are set to stimulate consumer spending, benefiting the retail sector, especially township and rural retailers.